Okay, now we're starting the recording. All right, so today we're going to do the lab 9 and 10 because I decided to break in this one because lab 11 is a whole different thing using different models. So basically for this one is dealing with steel column and the steel beams. Everything over here is taken to the B10 and 10. This will be super and the floor construction, right? So we'll continue doing the same thing as we did for 6, 7, 8. We're going to combine the set together. We only export one document. So so this is our requirement over here, and then basically you can open this Word document here, which is showing the same thing. Go back to your course contents and navigate to download this model. So each time we're going to download the model separately because we don't want to mix up with, right? But in your project, you will continue use a single model. So we open this one. So when you open this now works, let it open, don't move, and then you will see this those want to resolve something. That's because some of the joins was not linked or not stored over here, so we needed to ignore all those things. So within a couple of seconds, and once it's upgraded to the new version, so then you will see this model over here. So first step we're doing now is doing the quantification. So we click this quantification. If it's not pump up the project setup, then you can do this. So click the project setup, and we are doing the unit formats, right? We are doing the unit format. I'm recording it. You can watch it later. So it's unit format here, and then we can do the next. Then we keep everything default. We move into the next and the next, and then finish. So this is the general procedure we did it for every time when we setting up for those labs. So once we open this one here, the next task we're going to find the steel beam and the steel beams, right? Steel column and steel beams. So those are all in the structure. So S is referred to the structure, and then this is structure columns. So we can open this one, and you will see they have a structure wrapped join over here. And we continue to open, you will see the structure columns. So once you open the structure columns, you will see they have some is concrete. We already did this concrete before. Then we are going to use this W for the wider range columns, right? So we open this one, and then we can come back to this Word document and see what lab we're going to take up. So in this one, we're going to do the takeoff for the lab 9 and the lab 10, right? So lab 9 is the column for the steel. So we will have the W14 and the 61, 3 pieces. W14, 61, 3 pieces. So we can highlight this one, and we can select the unselected. Then you will only see those pieces over here. So let me see how many pieces we have. We actually only have 3 pieces. So yes, that will only take off these 3 pieces. Then we can do is we can highlight here, then we select all those 3. Or you can highlight one by one, right? So the unselected will be the red, the selected will be the highlight as blue. So we will take off this to be 10 and 10. That means we are looking for the quantification workbook to the shell. And the superstructure, so this is superstructure and then floor construction. So we come back to here and right click and do the quantification and take out the floor construction. So then we're done with this one. So normally we for the lab we are going to export it, right? But for this one here, we not yet take off it. So we are continue doing with the this steel beams. So for this steel beams, we're going to do with 2 pieces. So one piece is called W21 and another piece is called W44. So what we can do is we're going to unhide all, then we're going to find the concrete. the steel beams, right? The steel beams will be within the structure frames, right? So you can open this structure FRM and open, then we will see the structure framing, and then you will see the beams. So that will be W shaped, right? W wide flange is over here. And then the first one we take off is W21. We can find a W21 and 44. So we only need the one piece. So you can visualize all those. You can click and highlight study all. You will see multiple pieces over here, but only one piece. So you can pick up the first piece, or you can pick the second. Is up to you. And then we come back here. So remember, once you take off, this is all going to highlight over here. We need to highlight the floor construction again, right? Then we can pick up this piece and do the qualification and do the take off to the floor construction. So you will see you have this one interest over here. And then the next one we're doing is W44 and 335. So we do unhead all, and then we find a W44 and here, and how many pieces we take out here is 2 pieces, right? There's only 2 entries over here, so we can hide unselected. And you will see there's only 2 pieces over here, right? So we can pick up those 2 pieces by highlighting here. Again, remember to switch this back to the floor construction. And then you do the takeoff. Hide unselected. So sorry, we do the quantification and then takeoff. Now you have all those 3 different category items we take off. Now we're going to export it. So we need to select this one and using the shift on the keyboard to pick up this one and that one. So in case that does not work, you are using the control button, the keyboard, right? So pick up this W14 is column, W21 is bin, and W44 is bin. And then we click here and we export the selected qualification to the Excel. And then you name this one as your Lab9&10. Lab9&10 Takeoff. Okay, so we open this one and submit this one to the Blackboard. You will see you only have this 3-piece column here, 1-piece bin, and another 2-piece bin here. So that's the lab for today. I'm going to pause this one and stop sharing, and I will upload this one to the